Hi friends, I talk about top 5 best e-bike. E-Scoot E, MTB Nature and Pulunu E-City e-bike are featured in a 215-volt bafang hub motor, removable integrated 36 voltage 14.5 Ah Samsung battery, Ford suspension fork and 28 by 27.5-inch Kenda tires, so they can effortlessly take on both community and leisure rides. The latest e-scooty hub motor e-bike can travel up 65 minutes in single full charge, allowing you to explore further, enjoy your ride and go anywhere you like. A new drift trike from Razor. The Razor Drag Seat drift trike has a full-size steel frame, motor-style construction, and 10-inch sleek surface rear wheels. The Dex drift trike is built for EDG of your seat downhill drifting action, so you can't let it all hang out from the freewheeling strategies to the latest curbs. Always wear appropriate safety equipment, exercise equation, and common sense. Do not assume you can easily do everything you may see on a video, because all target aggressive riding tests, practice and influence increased risk. Always check local laws regarding use electronic powered product. The Newton is the best electronic mountain bike in the UK, especially for off-road electric bike riding. Offer both a means and transmissions and off-roading experiment like nothing else. Design and to ease your upper bumps, G roads and rocks while padding on the trails. The Newton EMTB allows you to make the most of outdoor environment of our types, especially with speed, affordable EMTB riding for fun, freedom and of our future. The design for the Iithium electronic motorbike is based on research that shows the most comfortable riding positions for motorcycle. The research defines the ideal dimensions for the location of the seat, handlebars, and foot pedals to achieve the most comfortable riding position. I'm not revenating electronic bikes. There are plenty of them available in the market, but I don't want to have a lamp electronic bike the most. Some electronics slap it on a regular bike or an older bonus mini bike frame. I wanted something special. Since I was kid, I have been obsessed with the cars and bikes and sketching them. The bike design is the most my favorite, and I have been planning it for a very long time. After studying and working in mechanical engineering, I finally gained the necessary skill to bring my favorite bike to life. I wanted to get around town in style, so I chose components that have enough power, can get men through the daily commute, and have some extra power left over to have fun. And of course, I had to street legal. I wanted to design bike that speak to me, that tries together simple, clean and timeless design, the bike that I would like to keep forever. As an artist, I came up with design that satisfies my requirement of style and comfortable, and now I want to share the design with the world. Your life, your choice. KBO has greatly improved my lifestyle, your lifestyle. Removable 48 voltage 16Ah lithium battery with Samsung LG cars battery life. One of the biggest advantage of KBO bike. Quick smart 48 voltage 3 mp charger, powerful 1750 watt peak purchase greater hub motor. Really, it is great electronic bike, very comfortable. Your lifestyle change. Thanks for watching this video.